Hey guys, Doc here, Platinum Pro Wash, St. Louis, Missouri. We are in St. Charles, Missouri today at our first opportunity. And here's what we got. Here's the house, a nice little split level. Queen Mary up there. Obviously the dirty side. So we just got here, got the water hooked up, tank's filling up. Well, look at that. Ooh, that's nasty. So yeah, getting ready to get started. As soon as we got here, the neighbor right there came out, asked what we were doing, told him washing the house. He's like, okay, come do mine too. Loving that. Got Noah hooking up the 12 volt, Matthew stretching hoses. This is obviously the clean side. Fence here. Ooh, got lots of trees on that house to get around. And the back is pretty dirty too. Some ugliness up there. All that'll come clean real easy. Get up there on the deck, clean the siding up there, clean the siding under here. There's Gooch. Say hi, Gooch. I told you guys that's all we get from him. So, got this. We're going to get this knocked out. I don't know if we're going to be able to do the neighbors when we get done. We've got a full day. But if we can get it done quick enough, we'll get it knocked out. All right, guys, I'll show you the end result. Hey guys, Doc here again. We just finished up with this one. It came out looking great. Mother Mary got a bath. She's happy. Looking good, except for that fascia. It's painted. Paint's coming off. You guys remember this side? This was the dirty. This was the dirty. And now it is clean. Spick and span clean. Made sure all the bushes and the flowers, the ivy, wash down, rinse down, knock out roses, rinse down. Everything's looking good. We are gonna do neighbor Jim's house tomorrow. Looks good. And yeah, the spots you see are where it's still wet. Soak this tree down. Looking good. The back was really dirty. Came out looking spick and span. Shiny like a new nickel. Gutters came clean. Everything looks good. And there it is. This neighbor came out and was watching us wash. Never said anything though. I guess I probably should have. He's probably wanting it washed too. I bet tomorrow when we do this house, he'll say something. All right, guys, that's it for this one. We're off to the next one. See you in a bit. Hey guys, Doc here again, Platinum Pro Wash. And we are on opportunity number 2 for the day. Got a house wash, pool deck wash, and needs a roof cleaning, but that's not in the cards for them today. So I'll show you what we got. There's Matthew. Oh. Here's our house. As you can see, that roof's pretty dirty if you can see that. Dirty, dirty, dirty. It's mainly just a lot of dust on this now. Those gutters and fascia's dirty. Lots of cobwebs. Most of this is just dust. And it come off real easy. And these things are, whew, those are dirty. Another one of these sensitive trees. Starting to turn green now. All right, we'll come over here. Not too bad. Man, all these trees everywhere. Trees and vines and trees. Growing up into the soffit. So we'll get all this clean. Take you back around to the other side. Lots of property protection here. Sensitive trees. Kind of vegetation there. This isn't the part that's going to take that long. We'll be able to blow through it pretty quick. We've got our Flexzilla stretched all the way around the house. Let's see again. Most of it's just kind of dirty. There's some mold on there. Got some spots back here in the jumble. Yeah, trees everywhere. There's Noah. Say hi, Noah. What's up? We're not doing the pavers. We're not doing the fence. Look at that roof. Can you see that? That really needs to come back and do a roof wash for them. So we're not doing any of the pavers. We're not doing the stone steps. We are literally doing this, and you guys can see how nasty this is. They just opened their pool. You gotta blow all that stuff off. Lizards running around. You can see the anchors for the pool cover. So this isn't too bad. Outside of it, it's dirty. I think Matthew's wanting to jump in the pool. So yep, then there's the back of the house. Get that cleaned up. All with a 12 volt. And then the surface cleaner on the pool deck. All right guys, we'll show you the end results in a minute.